Hey folks, I hope you're doing fine. In this video, I will be sharing 7 cinematic drone moves that will definitely help you level up your drone footage. So without any wait, let's jump right into it. If you are at a location and if you are planning to create a cinematic visual of that place, it is very important to film the place through different perspectives. To begin with, first one is the jib shot. This is the simplest and yet very effective shot, and it is very easy to achieve filming this shot. All you have to do is frame your shot right, and then you have to slowly move the left joystick upward, downwards, and the right joystick towards the left or towards the right, depending upon the requirement of the scene. Next one in the list is backward reveal shot. This shot is really helpful in establishing a location by flying backward and revealing more and more of that backdrop. In order to achieve this shot, you will have to slowly move your left joystick upwards and the right joystick backwards. You'll have to ensure that both joysticks move in sync and there is very less jitter or shake in your shot. This shot might take a few attempts to get it right, but I'm sure with time you will get better at it. Before we move further into the video, I would like to take some time to talk about epidemic sound. In order to achieve that cinematic look in your videos, it is also very important to choose the right audio for your visual. Epidemic Sound is a copyright-free music provider where you will find a variety of copyright-free music based on different genre, different mood, different themes, different albums. You can find sound effect for your projects, and you can also look for a specific keyword in their search bar if you have a specific genre in your mind for your videos. I have teamed up with Epidemic Sound to bring you all an exclusive offer. If you are purchasing a yearly subscription on their platform, all you have to do is use the coupon HOB50 while you are checking out, and you will get a 50% flat off on a yearly subscription on Epidemic Sound. This is a limited time offer and it lasts only till the end of July. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on the link, purchase the yearly subscription, use the coupon code HOB50 and get flat 50% off on your purchase. Next one in the list is the top-down shot. This is one of my favorite shots and it is very easy to achieve. All you have to do is take your drone to the desired location, frame your shot well, and then move the left joystick upward or downward, or move the right joystick forward and backward, depending upon the requirement of the scene. The key to achieve the best quality in the shot is to find a symmetry, and your shot will definitely stand out. Next one in the list is circle POV shot. This shot is often used in revealing a location and giving that 360-degree perspective of that place. I often use this shot because it gives a good motion in the frame, and I prefer using this shot when I'm at some higher altitude, like if I am at some peak where there's a lot of canvas around me, which is a blank canvas, because it gives that parallax look to your video. In order to achieve this, you can either do it using the auto mode available in DJI drones, or you can do it manually. I prefer filming this manually because I have seen it in the past. If it is too windy and you are taking a POV shot using the auto controls, your shot shakes and it creates a jitter in your shot. So if you want to speed up the shot in the post, it becomes very difficult because that jitter is very visible. So in order to do it manually, all you have to do is move the left joystick towards the left and move the right joystick towards the right. Now you have to be very careful while doing this. Be very gentle with the joystick and also keep your subject in the center of the frame. Next one in the list is tilt up reveal shot. It is a good shot to open a video or a sequence to introduce a location as it gradually reveals the complete landscape. In order to achieve this shot, first thing you will have to do is tilt your camera downwards using the slider available at the front of your controller. Now once your frame is set, all you have to do is slowly move the slider in order to tilt your camera upward. Now you can add variation to this shot where you can actually add some motion to your drone. So while you are tilting your camera upward, you can move your drone forward or backward in order to make your shot look more cinematic and interesting. Next one in the list is tracking shot. Now these are also one of my favorite shots and I use them very often in my videos. Specifically, these are very helpful to film a sequence of a moving vehicle. In order to film this shot, you'll have to make sure that there is not too much of interference around you, like there is not interference in the path of your drone, otherwise you'll end up crashing your drone. The best way to achieve this shot is using active track in DJI controllers. All you have to do is draw a square around the object, could be a car, it could be a person, could be any subject which you are filming, and the drone will recognize the subject and will start tracking the subject. Now the reason I'm saying the auto mode is better in this filming is because it gives you more dynamic range. So that gives some extra dynamic motion to your shots. Last one in the list is push-in shot. Push-in or straight shots are very easy to achieve. All you have to do is move your drone in the forward direction. And it looks even more cinematic if you are flying your drone close to your subject. You can also slowly move the left joystick downwards and that'll give a parallax effect to the video and it'll make your video look even more cinematic. So that's all from this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Next time when you're going to fly a drone, do try these moves and I'm sure you will be happy with the final result. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, peace!